मेरे साथ बैठे हैं संजीव वर्मा जी, चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, श्री अनिल सलगोत्रा जी, जॉइंट चीफ इलेक्टोरल ऑफिसर J&K, जावेद अहमद डार साहब, डिप्टी डायरेक्टर PR इंफॉर्मेशन डिपार्टमेंट, बिलाल अहमद भट्ट, एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly. There were 4 seats in the Council of States from Jammu and Kashmir lying vacant. Accordingly, Election Commission of India issued 3 separate notifications for the biennial election to fill up these vacancies in the Council of States. The notification was issued on 6th October 2025. One for the election to the Council of States by the members of Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly to fill the vacancy in that house caused due to retirement of Shri Mir Muhammad Fayaz on 10th February 2021. Second notification was issued to fill the vacancy in the Council of States caused due to retirement of Shri Shamsher Singh. The third notification was issued to fill the vacancy caused due to retirement of Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad and Shri Nazir Ahmad Lawe. The last date for filing nomination was 13th October 2025. Total 9 nominations were received. For notification number 1, nomination papers were received from 3 candidates: Ali Muhammad Mir, Chaudhry Muhammad Ramzan and Prabhakar Datta. For notification number 2, nomination papers from 2 candidates were received: Rakesh Kumar and Shri Sajad Ahmad Kishlu. For notification number 3, nomination papers from 4 candidates were received: Shri Satpal Sharma, Shri Imran Nabi Dar, Govardhan Singh Oberoi and Kante Sanya. Scrutiny of nomination papers was done on 14th October. It was done as per the directions of the Election Commission of India under camera in a transparent manner in presence of the candidates concerned and the observer deputed for the purpose. 2 nomination papers were found not in accordance with relevant rule position and stands rejected. One of Mr. Prabhakar Datta, he came from Maharashtra and filed the nomination papers here, but his nomination papers were incomplete and rejected. The second nomination paper which was rejected was from Kante Sanya from Telangana. He came from Telangana and filed nomination papers, but these were not complete. Therefore, the nomination papers were rejected. 7 nomination papers were found valid. Last date for withdrawal of candidature was 16th of October, and none of the candidate withdrew his candidature. With the result, the polling has taken place today. We have conducted the polling by following the proportional representation system by means of transferable vote system. For notification number 2, total number of electorals 88, total number of votes cast 87, total number of valid votes polled 86, total number of invalid / rejected votes 1, quota fixed for the election 44, number of valid votes secured by each contesting candidate. चौधरी मोहम्मद रमज़ान जम्मू एंड कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं, इन्होंने 58 वोट्स लिए. Ali Muhammad Mir, sorry, it is Ali Muhammad Mir from BJP. He has got 28 votes. With the result, Chaudhry Muhammad Ramzan has crossed the quota which was fixed. 44 was the quota and he has secured 58 and he has been declared elected For notification number 2, total number of electors 88. Total number of votes cast 87. Total number of valid votes polled 85. Total number of invalid votes which were rejected 2. Quota fixed for the election 43. Number of valid votes secured by each candidate: Rakesh Kumar BJP 29, Sajad Ahmad Kishlu 56. Sajad Ahmad Kishlu has been declared elected. For notification number 3, total number of electors 88. Total number of votes cast 87. Total number of valid votes polled 84. Total number of invalid votes which were rejected 3. Total number of quota fixed for election 2801. Candidates who have secured the votes is as under: Shri Satpal Sharma BJP 32, Imran Nabi Dar JKNC 21, Gurvinder Singh Obrai JKNC 31. Shri Satpal Sharma and Gurvinder Singh Obrai had been declared elected. Now the election process has completed. I am thankful to Chief Electoral Officer Shri Sanjeev Verma ji and Shri Anil Saralbotra ji. They have provided us all assistance cooperation which was required as per the rule position. They have assisted us. We have sought guidance from them from time to time. We are highly thankful to them. We are also thankful to CEO Jakeja, Secretary IT, Director General Estates Department, Director Information Department, SSP Security Civil Secretariat, and I am personally thankful to the assembly staff who have worked day and night for successful conduct of this election. Thank you very much. Thank you.